Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to learn what is include and exclude in Microsoft Power BI. So for that I have already loaded my dataset into the Power BI. After that we are going to use a simple stacked column chart. I'm going to take the chart and I'm going to put this on focus mode so it is more visible. After that we are going to use three columns for this visual: subcategory, sales and region. So first of all I'm going to put subcategory in x-axis, sales in y-axis and region as our legend. So this is what our visual looks like. Now let's learn what is include and what is exclude. So let's assume we are working with the west region and this green region right here, which is Oceania. So first of all I'm going to select both the regions by clicking control and click, control and click, like that. Now I'm going to select any of the box and right click on it and go to include. So what it did is it basically showed us both the subcategories that we chose from the visual in both the regions. This is basically a type of filter to get the differences between these two subcategories, which is chairs and phones, and then between these two regions. And you can also see the filter right here in this filter pane. It shows us these two filters that we are viewing right now. So now let's go back to our visual again. To go back you can simply just go and undo right here, or you can simply just remove the filter and you are back to your original visual. So this was it for include. Now let's dive into what's exclude. So exclude is basically the opposite of include. In include what we saw is that we saw these two subcategories and the two regions that we wanted to visualize. Now for exclude it is simply just going to remove both the subcategories and the region that we are working with. So now we are going to select our region and we are going to select central region in the phone subcategory, and let's go with south region in copiers category. I've simply just selected these two regions from these two subcategories. Now I'm going to right click on any of the box and click exclude. Here you go. What it did was it removed both the subcategories and both the region. And now when you will go back to your filters, you can see that we have removed these regions from these two subcategories. In Power BI, include is used to filter in specific data, while exclude is used to filter out unwanted data. For example, like we did here, where in the phone and copier subcategory, these two regions, the region central and south, were unwanted. So we just simply excluded it. Now you can go back to your visual the same way like we did before. You can either remove it from here or you can do undo from here, and you are back to your original visual. So this was it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. See you in the next video.